You can have a free Linux server running in the cloud in under 2 minutes. No credit card charges, no fluff. Tonight, I'll show you how to launch a free Tier EC2 Instance and SSH into it from your own machine. If you're studying AWS Cloud Practitioner or just want a Linux box to practice on, this is the fastest way to get one. The first thing that you're going to do is click on the EC2 Instance and then click Launch with that orange button. You're going to click Launch Without Walkthrough. First, I'll name this instance Linux Sandbox so it's easier to find later. Since Amazon Linux is selected, it's going to be free for you guys. I have the paid version, so I'm going to go down here to T2 Micro. It's just a little bit more robust. Go ahead, click on that. Now, the part people skip past too fast is the key pair. This .pem file is the only way you'll ever log into this server. There is no password fallback. So I'm creating a new one. Gonna go to create new pair, enter key pair name, sandbox key, and create new key pair. And it's gonna download. Whatever you do, don't lose this file. If you do, you're just gonna have to delete the server and then make a new one. For my network settings, I'm leaving all of this on default so we can SSH from anywhere for this quick test. In a real production setup, you'll lock down this to your own IP. But for a throwaway sandbox, this is fine. After you have all that set up, we're going to go ahead, click Launch Instance. We're going to go to Launch Log. Yep, it's working right now, and we're going to click back up here to Instances. Linux Sandbox, Instance ID, Instance State is pending. So that means it's starting up right now. Since it's running now, you're going to get your IPv4 address. You're going to copy it. You're going to put it in your notepad or write it down, whatever you got to do to remember this, but it will always be here. Now that you have your IPv4 address, you're going to go to CD and you're going to go to download folder right where you downloaded it at. If that's not in this folder, go to where it's downloaded. Now we're going to SSH into the EC2 instance. Now we're going to SSH into the server. So it's going to be SSH-I sandbox-key.pem EC2-user at your address right there. Press enter. And we're in the server. From here, you can practice sudo commands, spin up another web server, install Docker, or run through any Linux fundamentals you've been studying, all on a cloud instance instead of a local VM. That's the whole setup from zero to live cloud server. If it has saved you some time, drop a like. If you're a recruiter or a hiring manager looking for somebody who's 16 weeks out from graduating and already comfortably building cloud infrastructure like this, my LinkedIn will be in the description. Thanks for watching.